You can see how Lura really cares for the sea, just like the way we care for our kids. Everybody give it up, a big round of applause to the trainer Lura and to the sea baby. Hands together to welcome the training team. Get ready for the conference show. Good luck to the trainers, Sass and Lexi. Hello, and here they come together, the whole family, to wish each one of you good morning! Don't forget your manners. Come on, let's welcome everybody together! Everybody clap your hands! We're going to sing it at the house and we're going to Arriba y Arriba! Everybody, get your cameras ready now. The Dolphins will come in front stage. Hands together to welcome the training team. Get ready for the conference show. Good luck to the trainers, Sass and Lexi. Hello, Dolphins! Strong and powerful. Sass and Lexi. Introducing you to your family of the Dolphin in the pool. On the right side, you got Celia, baby Kai from Yopla. And here they come together, the whole family, to wish each one of you good morning! Dolphins, don't forget your manners. Come on, let's welcome everybody together! Everybody clap your hands! We're going to sing it at the house and we're going to Arriba y Arriba! Everybody, get your cameras ready now. The Dolphins will come in front stage. Everybody, put your hands up. Wave and say hello to the Dolphins. Hello, Dolphins. This is a big mama, Fiona. This is a baby dolphin, Bambino. And the big papa is Singer. Thank you, Dolphin. We're gonna take it higher. We're gonna, my boys, hit it! She tastes like friends, bottlenose dolphins, they have a smiley face. They have 80 to 100 teeth inside their mouth. And the mouth of dolphin is called a rush claw. Showing you more and more slides, we're going to put it out together. Everybody, get your cameras ready. We're going to show you how high dolphins can jump. We're going to lower the center bar. We're going to put it out together as one family. Bravo! Okay, we can hear all the colors together. Are you confused? The dolphins also confused. Okay, we'll make it fair. How many of you want color red? Clap your hands loudly. MashaAllah. How many of you want color blue? Clap your hands. Not bad. Color yellow. Okay. Color green. Color blue wins. Yay. You can see how the trainers are taking good care of the dolphins, just like you kind of develop them. Friends, Singh has been painting from a very long time. He has his own art gallery just outside, and we are proud of it. Red, green, yellow, which one? Red. Dolphins have a very strong and powerful body. The whole power of the dolphin comes from the tail of dolphin. There you can see up there. They got two fins in front. As you can see, they use the fins just like the way we use our human hands. We're going to show it to you soon. Yellow or green? Yellow. दोस्तों, जिस तरह आप देख सकते हैं, हमारे डॉल्फिन्स वो सब करने की कोशिश करते हैं जो हम इंसान एक आम जिंदगी में करते हैं, जिस तरह पेंटिंग। डॉल्फिन्स के मुंह के अंदर 80 से 100 दांत है, लेकिन डॉल्फिन्स अपना खाना हम इंसानों जिसे चबाते नहीं हैं, वो अपना खाना निगल लेते हैं। Now Singh has created this masterpiece for one of the lucky persons sitting among you. Let's see who's going to take it home. And the final color. Everybody clap your hands for Singh. The masterpiece is complete. And a big thank you to our trainer, Stas. Whoa! It looks fantastic. Now friends, we will be bringing this painting and give it to one of the lucky persons sitting among you.